Hi there, I am Nicole Trieu. Welcome to my homepage. I'm excited to show you my listings and tour of my previous sold activities. I specialize in fine homes and estates, and my special niche is commercial, income properties and gas stations. Rare to find golf course view you've been waiting for. Great, beautifully remodeled and move-in ready. This Silver Creek Country Club condo is one level, top floor, and has an unobstructive view of the 11th fairway. Newly installed carpet, new two-tone interior paint, and a chef's kitchen which boasts new cabinets, GE profile stainless steel appliances, granite slab countertops, basket weave tile backsplash, and a built-in wine fridge. French doors open from eat-in kitchen to the expansive patio with gas hookup barbecue grill. 3 fantastic patio areas, all with views of the golf course and greenbelt. Spacious master bedroom suite has a huge walk-in closet, spa-like master bath, and access to one of the private patios.